WWE. He's got the pig on the run. Will you marry me? Okay, so today we are in the most popular market here in Davao called Bankerohan Market, where supposedly they got the best fruits. Hello. And Davao is supposedly, I've been told, the best place in the country for fruit. Sir, would you agree? Is Davao have the best fruit in the Philippines? Davao? Does Davao have the best fruit in Philippines?
What's that?
Davao, #1 for fruit in Philippines?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, all right. Thank you.
The durian.
Durian? Okay. Thank you. See, he said it too. The #1, or he said it's the best place in the Philippines for fruit. Hello. Hey, is Davao the #1 place in the Philippines for fruit?
Davao. I think so.
Yeah? You guys want to say something to your fellow Filipinos?
Shout out RMC.
Okay, so we gotta go find some nice fruits to try here in this market. So let's go investigate. Curious about the prices too, because these are gonna be the real deal prices. Okay, well this is definitely a massive market. I just turned the corner and bam! Look, it opens up and it goes way down there. Huge. There's some noodles there. So I don't really know. I need to find some fruit. I think I just walked by all of it. Hi, ma'am.
The fruit is over there.
It's all over there, right? Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. See, nice. You see, that wouldn't happen in other countries because they probably wouldn't be able to speak English, so it's easier that way. So I gotta go this way for the fruit, excuse me. You know, I guess I was gonna do my own video, like the durian. You know, everyone does it on its own video, but I think I'm just gonna throw that in this video. Because I had it in Indonesia, I had durian shake, but I wanna try the fresh, the real deal, especially from the capital of fruit in the Philippines. So first I gotta talk about these. These are called mangosteens. I think that's what they call them in the Philippines. These are called mangosteen, right? Okay. Yeah, they're called mangosteens. That's one of my favorite exotic fruits, for sure, 100%. Except maybe like the rambutan, which is like this little red one with the hairs on it. So good, I love those. Okay, so a woman just told me don't eat, she wouldn't recommend eating the durian right now. Hi, sir. It's over here? Oh, you taking us over there? All right. So this is John. What's your name, bro? John? His name's John. He's gonna take me, we're gonna go try to eat some of this durian. Let's see.
Durian Dan.
Oh, you guys take me over. Alrighty, sir. Is the durian good now or no good?
Good.
How much?
Durian.
I just need a little piece though. I just need to try a little piece. Oh, you can eat the whole thing? Okay. Okay, so normally I would eat it, but right now the lady told me before it's no good right now. So I'm gonna have to wait to try durian until it's the right time. She said it's not in the season right now. So we hit the little flower part of the market. I can't. Yeah, makita dere. Yeah, sabutya. Ma'am, how much for
1 dozen?
Yeah.
60.
Are those roses? Wow. Okay. You know what? I'll take one dozen roses. Yeah, red, please. Yeah. And I'm gonna go give it to a Filipina on the street.
Natong mga naong sa picture. Dugay na ka diri sa Davao?
Yeah, Davao. Yeah, city. One day. You speak Visaya? Tagalog? Visaya? I only speak Tagalog. Okay, so I just bought these roses from this woman and I'm gonna give them back to her.
40.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, listen, I saw you and I thought you were a very sweet woman, very nice woman, so I wanted to give you these roses. These are for you. Yeah, for you. Yes. I gave you, these are, no, I was from my heart.
Hindi mo nang gipalit, kaya yata niya sa kuha.
Yes, yes, thank you. Alrighty.
Ihata ko na sa among kapilya kay ano
Yes.
nagkito.
Ma'am, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Okay, alright. Okay. Alright, bye-bye. Thank you, bye. Okay, yeah. I don't think, I think she's a little too old for me. I asked her to marry me, but I think she's a little bit too old. That might have been a little awkward. It wasn't, it was just supposed to be a sweet moment. Okay, so I'm on the outside. Over there, that's where all the fruit's at. And then over here, I don't know what's inside of here, so we'll go inside of there and check it out. Maybe they got some souvenirs and something something cool, who knows. Okay, we are inside now. Oh, we got some sausages, nice. Hello, sir. This longanisa? Yes. Oh, pork chorizo? Yeah, oh, my favorite. All right, oh, we got the noodle shop here. I think this is the meat market. Oh, this goes way down here. Man, I'd like to buy some stuff. I wish I was cooking right now. I could buy some meats and maybe, you know, cook something up, something delicious. Oh yeah, we got the whole head right here. Here's the pork. Do people buy this for sisig? Yeah. Sisig? You have to buy the whole head for the sisig?
You can buy just parts.
Oh, you just parts?
Yeah, just parts.
But when people normally make sisig, do they buy whole head or sometimes?
No, just the mass part of the
Oh, just like right here?
head of the
Okay. Alright.
That's what you want, sir? The,
No, no. I want to cook, but I'm in hotel.
You're a chef?
No. But I eat like I am.
Yeah. What are you looking for, sir?
I'm just making video about the
you're
market.
just
Yeah, I'm just walking around. I came here because
From what place are you, sir? From what country?
US.
Have you stayed longer here?
I've been here for 6 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah. So
How's your stay here in Davao?
It's been good. This is my first real day. I've been here for 1 day.
Here in Bankerohan.
No. Here, I've been in
Here in Davao.
Yeah, Barangay 17.
Barangay 17.
Yeah,
Is that a
District of
hotel?
Poblacion.
Is that a hotel that you're staying in?
Yeah, it's over there. Yeah.
So how do you find your stay here? So far?
In the Philippines?
Yeah.
It's good.
In Davao, particularly.
Oh, in Davao was.
How are the people?
They're nice, you know. I think people speak, less English here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because in like Manila, Cebu, everybody speaks English.
Yeah.
So
Maybe you have not encountered the English-speaking people here yet.
Yeah, too much, right? Yeah. Oh wow, this guy put up some other stuff here now too. Oh, he's got the ring. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, all right, alrighty, man. Well, thank you. I'll see you
What's
later.
your name, sir?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah, Aaron. Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Jing.
Jean? It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, sir. Yes.
Alrighty, bye-bye. I'll see you. The Rock. Stone Cold Steve Austin. He just hit him with the Stone Cold Stunner. Yeah, here, we got these pigs here. I wonder if me and these pigs, it might weigh like the same amount. I'm not too sure. Those are some big pigs. Sir, can I ask you a question? I gotta get this. Sorry, yeah. Can you put up a sign? Can you go like that? Yeah. Like that. Do the dog too. Like, yeah. Very nice fish. I think we got the seafood. Hi, man. Hello. I think we got the seafood. Look. So this one is, I forget. Bro, isn't this dangi? Isn't this called dangi? What's the name? Sulit. Okay. That's like breakfast, right? With the rice. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that stuff is delicious. The dried fish, I've had it. I used to date a Filipino girl, and in the morning she would put it in the microwave. Hello, man. And she would put it in the microwave and it stunk really, really nasty. But it was nice, it was salty, had good flavor. And eat it with like some egg or something. I loved it. That and the dried squid. The dried squid here is very, very good. Okay, now we stumbled in the fresh fish market. We got some fresh fish. Oh, sea grapes? Sea grape? Oh, sea pod. How much for 20? For how much?
20 pesos.
20 pesos for one plate?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Very healthy, huh? Nice, nice. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 20 pesos for a plate of that, which is maybe, I don't know how many grams, maybe like 100 or 200 grams. Here we go, here's the fish. Wow, check this out. Man, they got the nice lights on them too. Hi, sir. Hey, hey. Wait, what kind of fish is this?
Bangos.
Bangos? Oh, is that white fish?
White fish.
White fish? Yeah. Okay. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, okay, here we go. We got some shrimp. 100 peso per half kilo? Yeah. Oh my god, look at the light, bro. The light's nice with the fish. It's good for video. It's good for video.
fresh.
Is this like photo shoot?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, so this is cool. This is actually one of the cooler fish markets I've ever seen because the lighting, this lighting is just amazing. I haven't seen the fish lighting so lit up like this before. Nice. We got the clam lady. Hi, ma'am. Is this, how much? Oh, these are alive still?
Live.
Fresh. How much per kilo?
100.
100 per kilo? Okay, okay. Nice, thank you. What's this? What's this here? Oh, seaweed? Nice, nice.
Hey!
Hey, sir.
Oh,
What is it?
chorizo.
Oh, chorizo? Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice. Nice. What's your name, sir?
Julito.
Jolito? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you then.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So I just talked to the vegetable lady, and man, for like one piece of eggplant that's about like this fat and maybe like 7 inches long, it was only 7 pesos. But I think at the supermarket I was buying them for like I don't know, I guess maybe they were like 30 pesos each or 25, which is like 3 times the amount, 4 times the amount. So definitely cheaper to get this stuff here at the market. I think it might be fresher too. Okay, so my battery's about to die, and that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. But it still goes way down there too. I was walking around through here, and I started off over there, and I walked up through here too. So this market is huge. This is a really cool market here. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.